minutes to walk over that area. Because the next video will be my birthday for a while. It's already July 15th. It's my birthday for a while. This is the 2020. I'm just 9 years old. I'm 9 years old now, guys. But I'm thinking as I see the YouTube and I see the notifications and I see 9 plus. Maybe it's true for a while. Maybe it changes. Or I don't know for a while. So let's continue. It's already 31. Okay. Suppose we can lose this break. Okay, because guys, we should walk over the glitch for a while in just 700 blocks so we can go to the end at the negative 100 for a while. But if you go to negative 788 blocks, it's not that area that glitches. That just causes lag. But everything now is glitching. That's the oh no. Let's try it again. Yeah, let's try it again. What is I fell. Okay, so it could be the goats are swimming. Maybe glitches. Oh, we're not in bamboo. Where? Oh, a bamboo mosaic. Bro, panda. And sheeps and cows are swimming? Bro, why are they swimming? Bro, what is the panda facing? Direction. I forget it was okay. What's everything that I want is swimming for a while? Sorry. Oh my. It's glitching. I'll change it to move from it now we're done. Okay, okay, change. Yes. And now, so the command said someone she. I have to repeat the command block for a while. So wait for the baby sheep to die. Okay. Now some of the mushrooms. Mushroom. Okay. Oh my goodness, it's causing a glitching. And it's already 2 minutes when oh, that's the hardest area we can walk. So because the Minecraft was so easy, I cannot do this Minecraft because I'm looking Minecraft is taking a looks for a while because I want to work with a video that and we will walk in the real way. The baby camel beat me. The baby camel beat me. Oh my goodness. This is very hard. There are lots of stairs. Oh! I fell again. Come on. Let's go back. Is a Cinnafor over? Let's reach 92 blocks. Oh my goodness. 92. Yeah, 6 left. Oh my goodness. Yes, we're close. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. 94 minutes. I have to beat that. Is there another glitch coming up? What did baby camel beat me? He's going forward. So facing the wrong way. No, facing going backward. And it's another glitch. These sniffers are swimming and then they're coming up the glitch. Even horses, cows, mushrooms. They're swimming. Even pandas. It's glitching in this 1111. What? Can I even pass through it? Oh, there's a lot of blocks. It's so impossible to do it. Don't jump like this. No, it's kind of hard. This is a long area. Where's the goat? Oh my goodness, the goats! We're close to the glitching area that's already 300 blocks away. This is 300 blocks away. This is already 5 minutes. I cannot do this glitching area. Instead of reaching into 865 blocks. The glitch is coming up in 865 blocks. It reaches in the mangrove planks. Still in the pale oak planks. But we're close. Because the glitching area is in the savannah biome. And then we can do it around the savannah biome. And we can see the tower of glitching. Tower for glitching. No. I already see a glitch tower. Oh no. Because the mob is still out in 839 blocks. No. Oh my goodness. I can already see a glitch tower. Wait, Panda and Argo, maybe we're close. I can see the repeating command block right over there. I see that purple. This is not a purple concrete. I see just a white spots looking. It's a repeating command block. That's why I can walk over this because I built this. Like a hardest machine to get this mob slow. But it didn't work for once, so I just made it. Oh, it's actually 845 blocks. Oh my goodness, it's glitching. The funniest thing that the mobs just fell down is a pig. Not a pigs. Even piglins. You gotta go sa piglins. What is the sa piglins? The next glitching. Oh, but there's no glitching anymore. Because if you go to the 788 blocks. If I go to the 788 blocks. This is a super glitch. The biggest now in the 788 blocks. Okay, 8 blocks left. Oh my goodness. Bro. What? 788 blocks? Cause it's a super glitching area. The camel just reached through the 788 blocks. Actually going backward. So if I place the... Can I place the Minecraft on the super glitch? Look. If I can do in the 788 blocks, I cannot place even 787. That's a super glitched area. We're not in dark oak planks. This is the last one will be in the oak planks for a while. The panda is right over there. It's causing the glitch. It's already now 9 minutes. You gasling! The gasling right in the minecart. Where the gasling just joined. The gasling joined. No. I don't understand. Whoa, kill armadillos. Oh no. Oh my god. No, this is really hard. Come on, gold gasling. Another camel girl. Yes, never camel. Yes. Beat the spotter wolf. Yes. Happy Ghost. How are you gonna have it? No, I cannot see it. No. This is so hard to beat the Happy Gas. I cannot see anything. Happy Gas are really hard. Oh, the Happy Gas going backward. Yes. Sniffer camel. Let's see what we get in this, and what we're doing for this is 146 bucks. Negative 1. Camel, go. Spotted wolf, oh my goodness. No. Go. No, I fall. 144. Bro, it's got a glitch in it. No. It's okay, I need a stiffer. I'm supposed to go over here. Stop it. And stiffer. Oh my goodness. I can't beat this when everything sniffers push me backwards. The sniffer's looking. Push me forward. Jockey. Chicken. No, it's raining. No. Okay, see you guys in my next video in my birthday. Okay, I just saw my birthday for a while. See you in the comments.